Today we will take you to a very unique place. The only heliothermal salty lake in the world. It is located at the village of Sovata in Transylvania. In the same locality there are also other thermal lakes: Alunis Lake, Red Lake, Green Lake, and Merely Lake. We park and walk towards the lake. The stretch of road that divides us from the lake is a succession of hotels and restaurants. We decide to have lunch before our excursion. Let's try with Restaurant Sandy in a table of the outdoor terrace. We had Ciorba de Berta, very tasty tripe-based soup, at the price of 21 lei, roasted duck legs with price of 55 lei, and a grilled veal steak with 66 lei. All accompanied by Kozel beer, which the waiter indicated to us as local, but which instead we discovered was Czech. Overall, the experience was not bad. The advice we feel we can give to restaurant managers is to manage timing a little better. The ordered dishes all came together, and while we ate the soup, the meat dishes got cold. After lunch, we resume our excursion. Ursu Lake is surrounded by forests and is located at an altitude of 502 meters. The perimeter is 900 meters. The deepest point of the lake is at 18.9 meters. The lake was formed in 1875. With the collapse of a salt mine and filled after that with water from the rainfalls and from the streams that descend from the nearby versants. Now it is the largest heliothermal salt lake in Europe. The fresh water of two small brooks that flow into the lake form a 10 to 15 centimeters thick layer on top of the salt water. This freshwater layer behaves just like a magnifying glass. The sun rays penetrate it, warming up the underlying salt waters to a depth of 5-2 meters up to 35 degrees. A pedestrian path, immersed in the woods, allows visitors to see the lake, and a structure built on the southern shore provides, for a fee, sunbeds and umbrellas, but bathing is prohibited. A little further on, walking on the same path, after Dracula's restaurant, you reach the Alunis Lake. Here too, access is subject to a fee and sunbeds and umbrellas are made available. Furthermore, in this lake it is also possible to enter the water. Our excursion today ends here. Next stop, the Sci-Fi Salt Mine.